Hello learners, in the previous lecture of the module, we have discussed news headlines and various types of news headlines. In addition, we have also discussed the importance of headline in presenting news and designing newspaper layout. We have also learned the functions of news headlines in detail. Furthermore, we have completed the basics of headline writing with the references. We have also explained intro or lead and various types of leads such as summary lead, contrast lead, quotation lead, question lead, punch lead and so on. In this lecture of the module, you will learn media writing skill and the basics of media writing such as 6 B's of media writing. You will also learn characteristic of news writing such as accuracy, attribution, brevity, clarity, fairness and balanced and completeness in detail. In addition, you will also learn the basics of news writing. Furthermore, you will learn news writing process in chronological order in detail. After completion of news writing, you will be able to learn media writing skill and the basics of media writing. You will also able to explain 6 B's of media writing such as be right, be tight, be clear, be smooth, be active and be quick. Furthermore, you will also be able to explain the characteristic of news writing in detail. In addition, you will also be able to explain the basics of news writing and the news writing process in detail. Let us start with explaining media writing skills. Media writing skill means the ability to write news reports, feature articles and editorial for different media organization or media formats. Writing for media is a very difficult task than some other forms of writing because of media writing parameters. These parameters are 5 W's and 1 H. Journalists must give answers to these 6 basic elements. In print media, some articles are several pages long, while others are only a few sentences. In addition, a journalist must know his audience and their needs. His writing must fulfill the needs of the various audience. It is more about what they want to know and less about what you want to say. Media writing also requires you to focus less on your opinion and more on the facts and opinions you get from sources. Good media writing is not an accident or birthright or God gifted. Media writing is a skill that anyone can grow, develop and shape. You can become an incredible media writer if you work hard enough at it. Media writing skills are not beyond your grasp. If you want to become a good media writer, you should not only work on the following, but also you have to work on the others things such as reading articles, books, reports, newspapers, current affairs and so on. There are mainly 3 types of writing, that is formal writing, book writing or academic writing and media writing. Formal writing is used in offices for official communication. Book or academic writing is generally used by literary writers and academicians, while media writing is used by journalists. Each format of writing has its own style which has to be followed. Basics of media writing. Number 1. Be right. It means that journalists should put facts right and accurately. One of the primary things media writing demands of you is accuracy. Perfection is unattainable, and yet that is what is expected of you in this field. Obviously, you would not be perfect, but you need to hold yourself to a standard as close to perfection as possible, because accuracy is the essential virtue of the media writing. Number 2, be tight. It means your sentences in news should be short and crispy, because your reader don't want to deal with long sentences. They also don't have enough time to hunt for key information in paragraph after paragraph. Journalists should write to the point as quickly as possible and provide readers with everything they need to know right now. Number 3, be clear. It means that journalists should use simple, straightforward manner, chronological order-wise words or sentences to write news articles. You need to find the right word to make your point and use it in simple and straightforward manner. You should not confuse your readers by using jargons. Look at the concept that confuse you and describe them in a simple way. Number 4, be active. It means that journalists should write news article in the active voice, because active sentences are tighter sentences. Bob hit the ball and the ball was hit by the Bob. Give the same basic information. However, the second sentence contains 50% more words than the first one. Sure, it is only 2 words, but if you convert the sentence to active voice and save those 2 words, you could use them later when you really need them. Number 5, be smooth. It means that journalists should use medium pace sentences, because short sentences disturb the pace of writing or reading, while long sentences confuse readers to understand news. The pace and flow of a piece will determine how well it read. So, you should use medium paced sentences of 20 words or show with 1 or 2 simple ideas in each one. Number 6, be quick. It means that journalists should write news stories to the point, and in small paragraphs write the most important information to your readers as quickly as possible, and use quickness to keep them interested and engaged. Use tight, medium paced sentences that help them see what you are saying and why it matters to them. This will keep your readers from becoming bored and will make sure they see the most valuable information in your news stories. Characteristic of news writing. News writing is a style of writing which is different from formal office, academic and personal writing. In media writing, the journalist writes the most important information in the first para of the news, which aims to grab attentions of the readers. The rest of news is followed by less important detail or information, so that the article can easily be edited from bottom up. Media writing must possesses the following characteristic. Number 1, accuracy. Accuracy is the first requirement of a good news report. A journalist must get all facts right, starting from numbers, place, time, name and designation of the source to the statements made by him or her. Journalist cannot hide behind the excuse that there was not enough time to cross-check the facts. The facts that you need to check are names and their spellings, designations, incident detail. In case it is an accident, you must know the exact number of people who are injured or killed. Quote reported in the news report must be accurate and in the context. It should be not misinterpreted to imply another meaning. If it is a science story, You must make sure that all scientific names are correctly spelled and explained. If it is a sports story, then you must make sure that the number of runs made or goals scored are mentioned accurately. If it is a court story, you must make sure that the court verdict is presented accurately. Number 2, attribution. Attribution means telling readers where the information in a story comes from. All news reports, with a few exceptions, must be sourced. The source can be identified as follows. Number 1, individual source, victim, responsible authorities, the witness of the incident, culprit or surviving persons are source. Number 2, organization. A spokesperson may be government officer, spokesperson of a political party or public relation officer of a corporate organization will be source of organization. Number 3, anonymous source. There are occasions when a news source who hold a senior government position or an important leader does not want his or her name to be used. In such cases, the reporter can attribute the story to informed sources. Number 4, exceptions. The reporter need not worry about attribution in some cases. Cricket match or a rally, swearing ceremony of a newly formed government or historical facts. Number 3, brevity. Journalists must write short stories without missing important facts. Please remember that today's reader is in a hurry. He does not have the patience to go through long news reports. It also means using short words, short sentences and short paragraphs. Number 4, clarity. Clarity is not easy to achieve. You are required to report an event in as few words as possible. You can do this if you use short and simple words and keep out irrelevant facts. The intro of your report must be short and crispy. The body must be made up of as few paragraphs as possible, with each paragraph devoted to one point. Number 5, fair and balanced. A news story must express both sides of views, that is, victim and culprit or responsible person. It is very difficult to get both sides of the information. This may take time and or delay in submitting a news story, but a journalist must do so. This is the best way to bring balance to the news story. There may be times when an individual may avoid making a statement. In such a case, state the point, indicating the efforts you made to get his point of view. Fairness means writing news stories without including or mixing own opinion. It requires that the journalist does not impute his motives. Remember that your news report is going to be read by hundreds of people, and you can influence their thinking by using loaded words. It is always best to use neutral words. Number 6, completeness. It means that you should present your information in a context so that it can be easily understood by a mass audience. It should be clear and coherent. Your writing should answer all of the questions that could be expected by the audience. That is, not all of the questions that could be asked, but all those that it takes to understand the information. Number 7, precision. Precision means that as a writer, you take special care with the language. You know good grammar and practice it. You use words for precisely what they mean. You develop a love for the language. Basics of news writing. Here we are discussing some basics of news writing. which are used in mass media writing. These basics of media writing are as follows. Give answers of 5 W's and 1 H. A good news story provides answers to each of these questions. For example, if you are writing a story about a new database, you will need to answer questions like, what is it? Is it the first of its kind? Who created it? Who else is involved? Who will maintain it? Who will use it? Where is it based? Are there any partner based anywhere else? Where will the users come from? When is it released? How long have they been preparing? Why has it been created? What is the need for it? How does it fit into the bigger picture of the other resources? How can people start to make use of it? How does it fill the gap in the market? How will it affect the science people are doing? Number 2, use inverted pyramid news writing style. A good journalist put the most important facts at the beginning and works down from there. Ideally, the first paragraph should contain enough information to the readers, a good overview of the entire story. Rest of the article explains and expands on the beginning. Number 2, have an angle. Most stories can be presented using a particular angle or slant. It can help make the purpose of the story clear and give it focus. Find out an angle and write news story around them. Number 4, use short sentences. Sentences used in news writing should be 10 to 20 words. Don't string sentences with commas, conjunction to combine several sentences. Number 5, paragraphs. For a news story, a paragraph should not be more than 6 sentences long. Number 6, write news story in the third person. News stories should be written in the third person, that is, she, he, it, they. Use first person and second person sentences in quotes. Number 7, noun and verbs. Place emphasis more on nouns and verbs than adjectives and adverb. Number 8, use action verb. It keeps the story moving and grabs the attention of readers. Number 9, use simple writing. Use short, clear and simple words and easy to understand. Number 10, avoid the use of jargon. Jargon is a special language that is used in a special field in which cliches are avoided. Overused words and phrases. These jargons and cliches are complex and not easy to understand. Number 11, transition. Transition tie together each sentences in a news story should follow the previous sentence or relate it. Number 12, use the first time full form and later use the abbreviation. Number 13, use written words to justify or convey meaning. For example, killed, died, deceased and succumbed. Number 14, write sentences in active voice. It denotes action and freshness. Number 15, avoid paired negative. For example, do not use paired negative sentences. For example, you can simply write the sentence, he was happy instead of he was not unhappy. Number 16, use quotes to support your article. News story writing process. Here I am taking an example of cultural news writing. In the writing process of a cultural news article, there are several steps that are needed to understand. These steps are as follows. Number 1, decide topic. News writer should be clear in his mind about what issues constitute a cultural feature and what topic you will be going to write about. Number 2, research into topic. Before writing a cultural feature, a journalist should do some research and develop basic knowledge about the culture, especially mythological and historical aspects, which will make your cultural feature more interesting. Number 3, collect related facts. The news writer should collect all information about cultural event, such as organizers, name of performers, detail of themes and performances, importance of culture event, especially from a social perspective. A writer should also collect material from all print and electronic media and add to it from their personal experience and interviews, etc. Number 4, interviews with related people. The writer should conduct interviews of organizers and participants to tell the audience about efforts and preparations being made by organizers and participants to execute the cultural event on the ground level. A writer should also interview key peoples of the society who can provide historical and mythological information about the cultural event. Number 5, participatory observer. Reporters should make report with cultural event organizers and participants. Observe cultural event by participating in the event. Being part of a cultural event, you should be able to write better as you have experienced or enjoyed the event. Number 6, write keeping in the mind of audience. The reporter should write exact what he or she has been experienced. Think as an audience, not experts, and explain whole event like a narration. Number 7, be accurate. Reporter must check and double check facts while treating delicate subject like rituals and customs, fair and festival in regard to their correct nomenclature and correct dates, etc. Number 8, structure of feature. Before writing news article, make blueprint of your article and organize the relevant matter pertaining to your topic in order to help you to write systematically with a beginning, a middle and end. You should divide your cultural feature into 3 parts, that is beginning, middle and end. The beginning part includes the headline and intro. In cultural feature, the headline and intro should be attractive enough to grab the attention of readers. Number 9, chronological order. Put all information in chronological order. Write like a thread and sentences should relate to previous sentences. Introduction, body and conclusion must be interlinked with each other. Number 10, makeup of news. You should use illustrations, photographs, diagram and sketches to make it visually attractive and support the text of the cultural feature. Number 11, language. Writers should use language to suit your topic. If you are discussing a performing art like dance, use word and expression that belong to this art or genre. If writing of music, let your terminology flow like the notes and so on. Let your sentences be simple but meaningful. Coin your own phrases to express your thoughts. Number 12. Writing style. Adopt your own news writing style. Do not copy the styles from the material you have gathered. Let your style be conversational rather than formal and stilted. Number 13. Use precise words. Journalists should not use too many unnecessary words. Use the right word. Say exactly what you mean. Be specific. Avoid sexism in your writing. Number 14. Pace. Maintain pace of the news story. Moment of sentences creates a tone, mood for the story. Long sentences convey a relaxed, slow mood. Short sentences convey action, tension and moment. Use a variety of sentences. How to write lead. Number 1. Determine your hook. Look at available data. Determine which aspects are more important and relevant. Lead news with those aspects. Number 2. Be clear and be short. A good lead provides all the information the reader requires in just a few words. Ideally, a lead should be between 25 and 14 words. Use simple language, write short and clear sentences. Number 3. Write sentences in the active voice. Avoid all forms of verb to be, except some cases such as writing about fatalities. For example, 2 people were killed Thursday. And when discussing police activity, for example, 2 people were arrested. Passive voice is often the result of incomplete reporting. Number 4. Address the reader as you. It helps to create a personal connection with the readers. That is, it connects directly with the readers. Number 5. Put attribution second. Put factual information at the beginning of the lead and attribution at the end of the lead. That is, according to or said, etc. Number 6. If you are confused and stuck, find a relevant statement of the speaker and start lead with that statement, or start with a story. If beginning with a statement or fact is not working for your lead, you should start your lead with a story. This type of lead is called anecdote lead. So, learners, with this we have studied media writing skills and the basics of media writing. We have also studied characteristics of news writing such as accuracy, attribution, brevity, clarity, fairness and balanced and completeness in detail. In addition, we have discussed the basic of news writing. Furthermore, we have also completed the news writing process in detail. Now, it is time to check your progress. Write down following questions and check your learning level by writing answers of those questions. To assess your learning level, we are providing you short as well as long questions. Give answer of the short questions. Number 1. What do you understand from term be right? Number 2. What is another word which is used for a reporter? Number 3. Who have provided information to the reporter? Number 4. There are mainly 3 types of writing, namely formal writing, academic writing and number 5. A lead or intro includes from words. Number 6. The term brevity means that. Number 7. Victim, responsible authorities, witness of the incident, culprit or survived person are. Number 8. Accurate, unbiased and fair information makes media organization more. Number 9. Be right, be tight, be clear, be active are. Number 10. 5 W's and 1 H stands for. Number 11. Media writing skills mean ability to write. Number 12. What do you understand the term attribution? Number 2. Give answer of the long questions. Number 1. What is media writing skill? Discuss basics of media writing. Number 2. In order to write a news story, how do you select a topic? Discuss news writing process in detail. Number 3. What is cultural reporting? Describe qualities of a cultural reporter. Number 4. What is news? Discuss grammar and style rules for writing a good news story. Number 5. Which kinds of preparations should be made by a reporter before writing a news report? Discuss it in detail. Number 6. What is lead? Discuss how to write a good lead for print media. Number 7. Explain qualities of a good news reporter. What kind of newsworthy he or she has to follow in reporting and selecting news story. Number 8. What is media writing? Discuss characteristic of media writing. Number 9. Discuss basics of news writing in detail with references. Number 10. What is news? Describe news writing process with the references.